Kath Molloy. Welcome to Mad for Mondays. I'm lucky enough this Monday to be out on the farm, so I've just been feeding the cows. And hello, Cosmo. These are rescue animals, so they grew up, they had pneumonia as a baby, and we've been able to rescue them, and now they've got a great happy life here. There's Elvis under the tree, and we've got Coco, our big boy. He's the courageous one. Here we've just put up a little bit of tent for more shade, but they've got 17 acres and many trees to play in. But you know, it's interesting, one of my favorite things is actually going in and perhaps almost rescuing or resurrecting businesses. So sometimes we've been in business a long time, and then people come into the marketplace, they make a lot of noise, they seem to be undercutting what you're doing. But just remember the value that you add. And I'd love you on a Monday just to think about that. What is the value that I add in my business? Because all businesses are there to help people in some way. So keep smiling. I know you can do it. Keep thinking about the value you add. Cosmo, you saying goodbye? Can you see yourself, Cosmo? And have a great Monday. Bye.